How to back up SafePal Wallet securely. Are you guys facing issue to back up SafePal Wallet securely? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To back up your SafePal Wallet securely, open the SafePal app on your mobile device and go to your wallet. During setup or under wallet settings, you'll see the options to view or back up your recovery phrase, a series of 12 or 24 random words. Tap on it and carefully write down the full phrase in the exact order shown. Do not take a screenshot, do not store it on your phone, and never share it online. Write it down on a paper or a metal backup sheet, and keep it on a private, offline location like a safe or drawer. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if your device is lost or reset. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna back up your SafePal wallet securely. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.